Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ammi and we are Softrix. Today we are very excited to share another case study, this time focused on the furniture store. We have previously showcased several projects, but this one also delivered impressive results. Stay with us to see how we have generated great outcomes for the furniture stores through our strategies. So let's dive in. First is in terms of the client background. So let's discuss the client background first. Our client, a mid-sized furniture store, was facing stiff competition in the furniture market. They sought to increase their online presence, drive more traffic to their website, and boost sales through the targeted Google AdWords campaign. By collaborating closely with the client, we have identified the most effective strategies and executed a well-rounded campaign that delivered remarkable results. In terms of the objectives, so now the primary objective was to attract more potential customers to the retailer's website, convert website visitors into paying customers, and improve their retailer's brand recognition and presence in the competitive furniture market. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, this campaign faced numerous challenges, as every campaign has its own challenges. Here are a few of them. First is the high competition. The furniture market is highly competitive, making it difficult to stand out. We addressed this by focusing on the unique selling points and leveraging the high intent-based keywords. The next is the budget constraints. We had to maximize the impact within the limited budget. This required careful allocation and continuous optimizations of our bids and the targeting strategies. The next is the ad fatigue. With many competitors running similar ads, the ad fatigue was a risk. To combat this, we have regularly freshened our ad creatives and tested new ad formats to keep the audience engaged. So the next is the strategy. First is the keyword research and the selection. We have conducted extensive keyword research to identify high intent based keywords related to furniture. The keywords like buy modern furniture, affordable sofas, and quality dining sets were prioritized to capture ready to buy customers. The next is the ad creative development. Engaging ad creatives were essential. We have designed compelling headlines and vibrant visuals for our search, display, and the shopping ads. Each ad included a strong call to action to encourage the visitor to click on the ad and to give us a sale. Targeting and segmentation. We have employed demographic targeting to focus on the key demographics such as age, gender, and the household income. The next is the interest-based targeting. Reach users interested in home decor and furniture, while retargeting strategies re-engage visitors who have previously visited the website and shown interest but did not buy. And the next is the bidding strategy. We have used a mix of manual CPC and the automated bidding strategy like the target CPA. This combination allowed us to optimize our budget and maximize conversions effectively. The next is the landing page optimization. Ensuring the landing pages were optimized for conversions was crucial. We have made sure the pages were fast, mobile friendly, and provided all the necessary information to convert visitors into customers. The next is the results and the performance. So now let's talk about the results within the first month. We saw a 40% increase in website visits, bringing the more potential customers to the retailer's website and boosting conversion chances. The campaign led to a 25% increase in conversions and generated over $361 in terms of monthly revenue with the ROAS of 13.5. Targeted ads effectively reach high-end users who are ready to make a purchase. Branded searches increased by 30%, showing greater recognition and interest in the retailer's brand. This boost in the brand visibility helped the retailer establish a strong presence in the competitive furniture market. So now in terms of the conclusion, this Google AdWords case study for the furniture store demonstrates the power of a well-executed digital marketing strategy. By setting clear objectives, leveraging diverse campaign types, and employing effective targeting and the bidding strategies, businesses can significantly boost their online presence, drive traffic, and increase sales. If you have the PPC ads running in the similar niche, you can reach out to us for the free audit via the WhatsApp number given on on the top right of your screen. If there are no PPC ads yet, contact us with your website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting for a tailored proposal. That's all for today. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.